Hello, my friends. I'm going to be pouring a ring pour today, but first I want to show you a painting that I finished. And I showed you this a while back and I wasn't happy with it. I had just done this part of it. And a couple of you suggested that maybe I have add a dog and some escaping balloons, and so I did. And I decided to add two dogs. First I painted that one chasing this balloon, but then I thought I need something over here. So I tucked that little fella in, and now I'm very happy with it. And in fact, it sold today, so I need to varnish it yet, but look how that wonderful gold shines, and I just love the sides. They're so pretty. Anyway, worked out well. So thank you. A couple of people suggested, and I do thank you for your help. Now, today I'm going to be pouring a background for an animal, maybe a raccoon or something, maybe a squirrel. Love painting squirrels, and everyone seems to love them too, but I may change it up. Anyway, I've got black and raw umber. I've added a little silicone to these two colors. This is Master's Touch brown red, they call it, but it's very much a copper color. Burnt sienna. I mixed this gold with yellow ochre, some gold I had laying around, and a bit of orange because I had another gold and I wanted to differentiate between the two. So this is a yellow gold and this is more orangey. So those are the colors. I am pouring over something. A mistake. Well, not a mistake. Everything's a learning experience. I can't remember what the deal was here. I think I had some cloud mix in there by mistake. And I really didn't like the way that came out. So that's what I'm pouring over. So let me see. I'm wondering if I want to just pour from dark to light. I often will alternate the colors. And I think I will. I think I'm going to alternate dark light, dark light. And we'll see. And here we go. As I said, silicone in the black and the raw umber. Okay, here we go. Pretty much a straight pour. As I said, I did add silicone to the brown and black because I want kind of a gnarled wood look and like a tree. And that's what the animal will be nestled in. I hope I didn't go too heavy on the gold. I mixed it just 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint And then I added a little water to all of them, but it's still pretty thick. I probably added at most a teaspoon of water to the thinnest one, and then oh, look at that! How fun! That's pretty much what I wanted to see. Like gnarled wood. Did I say that? That's what I'm hoping for. And that dark area in the center is where the animal will get tucked out. I'm going to bring that up to you now to show you how pretty that looks right now. All right, and here we go. I hope you're all aware of the TLP Hurricane Relief collaboration. We have about 40 artists that have participated, creating pieces that will then be auctioned off to raise money for hurricane relief, direct relief. Oh gosh, this is just what I wanted. And I did a piece for the collaboration, a ribbon pour, but the piece I'm giving to the auction is the crane, the preening crane I painted and I showed you a while back. We'll be coming out with an auction preview soon, before the auction is held on November 3rd. So I'll be posting that, I guess, on my channel, or a link to it anyway. And then you'll be able to get a head start on viewing everything, see if you're interested in something. Oh my goodness, this is just what I wanted. That doesn't happen very often. Oh, how fun. There's a lot of interesting things happening here. Cells inside cells, little weird critters. Very organic looking. I like that a lot. Is there anything I want to do? Do I want to move that around, stretch anything else out? Well, I don't know that it looks all that much like wood. I don't think it does, but I am happy with the way it looks. Try to stretch out that dark center a little bit more. Oh, it's fun. Okay. I'm not sure of the orientation. I'm thinking the way you're seeing it now, but it remains to be seen when it's all dried and when I figure out exactly what I'm going to paint in there. Whatever it is, it'll be peeking out of this dark spot. Let me bring in for a closer look. My phone always lightens it up as I bring you in closer. I don't know why it does that, but it's very much in the browns and oranges. Probably what it looks like from further away is fairly accurate, like right here. Okay, there we go. Thanks for joining me, my friends. I hope to see you again soon at the auction, if not sooner. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.